Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that when you just log in your TikTok account and you say face the problem that maximum number of attempts of login just like that. So you have to solve the problem in easy way. First of all, you have to just go back and just go to the settings of your phone. Just tap on settings and you have to make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. After that, just simply go back and just simply find a TikTok on your mobile. Just tap on TikTok and just go to the info section just like that, the right corner of TikTok just like that. Tap on it and just scroll down and just see that there is an option of storage. Just tap on it and just all clear the data and also clear the cache from here and again login account. So your problem now gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.